I am here in Brussels on a special mission. In 2 days, on the 2nd of February, we'll mark the 20th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between EU and Kazakhstan. Therefore, I have the message of my president to Mr. Barroso and other officials of the European Union with, of course, congratulations on this auspicious date and expectations that relations between Kazakhstan and European Union and Europe will go from good to the best. Let me also tell you that the importance of the visit is highlighted by the fact that Kazakhstan is opening a new page in its own development. We have been developing successfully for 20 years. We have been able to achieve major strides on the path of our development, particularly in the economic side. We also made great achievements in the development of political institutions, institutions of the civil society in Kazakhstan. And this is not our own assessment. This is the assessment of external observers of Kazakhstan, like the World Bank, EBRD, IMF, different rating agencies, etc., etc. So Kazakhstan, after analyzing and deeply thinking about the achievements of the first 20 years of its independence, Kazakhstan has come up with the new strategy for the development of the nation until 2050. In a nutshell, our vision for that long path is to bring Kazakhstan into the group of 30 most developed countries in the world. When we say most developed, we mean developed from all aspects of life, economically, politically, from the point of view of democratic and civil institutions, from the point of view of our engagement in the region. So it's a multidimensional measure for our vision until 2050. And finally, I'll tell you that we are completely alive that Kazakhstan would not be successful and would not be able to achieve those achievements in 20 years without striking major partnerships with external partners. Kazakhstan will continue, Kazakhstan was open to all four sides of the wind. We developed close relationships and partnership with our immediate neighbors. Russia is the biggest one. China to the east, to the south we have Central Asian republics. Also we have strong relations with the United States. We also enjoy excellent relations with the European Union. European Union is #1 trade partner for Kazakhstan. European Union accounts for half of the trade of Kazakhstan, amounting to $50 billion US. European Union is also a major investor in Kazakhstan, #1 investor in Kazakhstan. FDIs from Europe account to 45% of our FDIs. We are the most successful country in our part of the world for attracting foreign direct investments. Since our independence, we attracted more than $170 billion of FDIs. Out of that, $75 billion of FDIs account for European companies. One would be kind of skeptical about why Kazakhstan, with world-class resources in all imaginable fossil fuels, like oil, gas, uranium, coal, would choose a topic for energy of the future. But this is our vision for the future. This topic completely fits into the vision of 2050, of Kazakhstan 2050, with the strategy of 2050, which envisages building a service technology based modern economy in Kazakhstan, very much along the green economy tracks. That's our vision for the future. Therefore, we take Expo 2017 with great seriousness, and we see it as a great catalyst and, if you like, an engine, one of the important engines of moving Kazakhstan towards the goal of 2050. If you look at Kazakhstan today, it's not also ideal from the point of view of advanced energy approaches, but the whole thing is ambitions. We are believers in a philosophy of good thoughts, good words, good deeds. So we have a good thought of green economy. We try to translate it into a form of a good word. And this good word, we hope, will be translated very efficiently into a good practice, good deed. We hope that both China and Russia are thinking the same way. If you look more deeply in what the Russian government and Chinese government are trying to do, you'll recognize that none of these governments are deaf to the ideas of green economy. This is the global trend, and these two giants are within this global trend, definitely.